Hello guys, EagleStocks here, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about my AMD calls. But before we get into any of that, first I wanted to thank you all for the support on Instagram and this platform. Support's been amazing, and keep getting that love, and people are liking the videos and it's helping people, which means a lot to me. The second part is gonna be I have a job opening for two types of people, and when I say two type of people, I'm just referring because of the area you live on. So I'm looking for people that live in Europe, Russia, or Ukraine for this release. If you know how to cop Jesus and you cop Jesus in the past and you're in Europe, contact me because I really want to get this release. And the same goes for anybody that's in Asia, Pacific, Africa, the Middle East, and India. I really want to cop this. And for any Americans, I'm going to be going for this release. So if you want to get a pair of these, hit me up and I will see if I will write you down. And then when the time comes, I might pick you up a size. Well, the size that you order in particular, I will go for that size. And if I'm able to secure it, you can have it. But the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my AMD call. The 57 one dropped a lot from when I bought. Well, not so much. I bought 183, so we bought right somewhere in between here, I will say. Yeah, right there. And then he ended up sleeping before the end of the day, which to me is really nothing because my Greeks 52% of the time should fit in the money. For next week already, I'm 10 days away of this, which is nothing, 13% down right now. And then my break even is 58.83, which I don't know how high AMD went today, but I think they hit the 58 mark. So when that hits there, it should put me back to, I think that probably was that peak right here. So that will be a huge increase for me, and I did buy 4 contracts. But the thing with this is that I'm gonna be going long. I might hold them for a couple of days before I log my profits, unless the profits touch 75%, and then I don't need to be greedy. I will secure my money there. But as you guys see there, my total return on them are 0%, because even though you see that I'm 13% down on that 57, which happens to be 96, it's kind of funny that going the other way around. On the 54, I'm at 96, up 32%, so it kind of makes up for whatever I'm down on the other one. And this one today did go up pretty good, actually. I should have probably sold, but I'm on May, so this is something that I can call. I think March, actually. I'm on March. Next month, anyways, so I'm long on them. This one is a 68 on my delta. So now let's jump into the chart, and now we're gonna see what I see. So going from the bottom, my PMC is indicating me that AMD should outperform the market, as you guys see here. Then when we go and we study the trends, because this is a thing that I guide a lot, because I will say that my setup is set up to trade the trend. We have the bulls, 40 points, they're winning. Then you have the current trend gaining strength, because as you see here, it was pulling back and now it's picking back up again. And then we have the bears losing points, which is really good, because if they're losing points, they're like inactive, I will say, and they're letting the bulls do whatever they want to do with this stock. And the 14 period is at 27, which is strong. Then the MACD shows some momentum continuing at going upwards, which should probably lead, as we keep going up, we're probably going to pull back. I don't know if we will pull back up again, but definitely I'm going to be able to ride this somewhat before it goes down again. Then RSI is telling me that they're overbuying it. With mental analysis of the market will tell me that people are willing to pay whatever for it. They're not really looking at anything. They're just like buy, buy, buy. That's how I see that RSI. Confirmation on volume, as we have 70 mil. Then we are above the 200 uptrending. We are far away from the lower, which we are up, and we're actually riding the higher band. So this means that it's overbought as well, both this one and when it's sitting on this, it means that it's being overbought. Then we have the 20 from the Bollinger. It's above, well above, so that's a buy signal. It's being bullish right now. Next thing we see is that it looks like we finally broke that 55 resistance that we had there, and not only we broke it, we did weak a little bit towards the 58 level. My break even on one of them, I think the 57 should be 58.83. So if we go towards that 60, that will be in the money by a lot. $3, but $3 in options, you know, times 100, we're talking about $300 right there, intrinsic value transformed to market value. So this is where we are sitting right now. This is why I keep buying, and then I could be wrong, but if anything, everything goes how the last time this happened, I'm expecting a gap here, because if you look, last time it did this crap at the 50, well, this wasn't a quite resistance level, this probably was at support level here, but it looks like it broke that 52 resistance that we had seen here with a gap. So I don't know if we're gonna see that tomorrow, but that's kind of what I'm expecting and what I'm aiming for, you know. I'm not expecting for a gap, but I am for sure expecting that week to fill. So this was it for today's video. I hope this helps you see more how I see the market and how I trade. Pretty much all the money that I really made today came from one big move. I was gonna go over the moves, but then I closed most of them today, so I really can't show you anything because there's really nothing to show you, but you know, you can see when I bought and sold type of thing. So today I bought 276, 295, 283, sold them for 330. I could have probably sold them way higher, but I just was trying to lock quick profits on that day trade and I was able to do that. So closing the day positive is always a good thing, you know. And this is where we're sitting right now. Pretty much my goal for the, I don't know what happened there right now. Was that what I was sitting on or something happened? Oh no, there we go, that's the right. I don't know, it's going crazy, but next step is gonna be 45 and that's gonna be my next target. So stay tuned with me, and you know, each video you will see how we go either up or we go down. You know, if I place good trades, we're gonna go up. If I place bad trades, and not only I place bad trades but I don't follow my stop loss, we're gonna go down. But that's not, I'm not gonna make that happen. I'm gonna keep pushing forward, so stay with me. And yeah, once again, thank you for all the support and the love that we receive. We look forward to see you in the market. And going back to this, you know, if anybody is interested in this, I got what it takes to make this happen. So if you are one of those persons that is willing to do anything for side money, you know, contact me because I do got a job for you. So much love, EagleStocks, peace out.